Racing just is started. We have Honor Rose very quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside, business class. In the middle portion comes Playmaker. Pretty Bull is at the outside. Caught in the act. Blue Dancer comes next. Golden Song, while Imperial Story is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Honor Rose by about 3 lengths. Business class is right there in second. Playmaker is racing in third. Pretty Bull caught in the act. Blue Dancer, Golden Song, while Imperial Story is still racing in last back to the leader. Now we have 2 entries fighting out for the leader. Business class moves up on the outside by about 3/4 of a length lead. Honor Rose in second. Playmaker still in third. Moving up on the outside, Pretty Bull caught in the act. Then next online is Blue Dancer, Golden Song, and a long way back to Imperial Story, who's still racing in last. And Diana went entering the home stretch. We have Honor Rose by about 2 lengths. Got in the act. Now moving up to take second with about 100 meters of the race. Honor Rose followed by Caught in the act in second. And finally, it's going to be Honor Rose. Overcaught in the act in second. Then comes Blue Dancer, Golden Song, Playmaker, Pretty Bull, Business Class, and